In this video, I'll show you how to unlock all skills in Openclaw. Start by launching Openclaw and loading your saved game or starting a new campaign. Next, progress through the early tutorial levels to unlock the basic skill system. Most skills in Openclaw are tied to progression, so you will need to complete missions and defeat enemies to earn skill points or unlock requirements. After that, open the in-game menu and navigate to the Skills or Abilities section. This is where you can view all available skills and see which ones are currently locked. Now check the requirements for each skill. Some skills may require reaching a certain level, completing specific missions, or collecting in-game resources before they become available. Next, focus on completing main story missions first, as these typically unlock the core skill branches faster than side missions. After that, replay earlier levels or optional missions to farm additional experience points or skill tokens if your progression is slow. Now, once you have enough points, go back to the skills menu and start unlocking abilities one by one. Prioritize movement, combat, or utility skills depending on your play style. Next, if Openclaw includes a skill tree system, make sure you plan your upgrades carefully, as some advanced skills may require unlocking earlier nodes first. After that, continue progressing through the game while regularly checking your skill tree to unlock new abilities as soon as they become available. Finally, once you have completed all required missions and gathered enough progression points, you will be able to unlock all remaining skills in the game and fully upgrade your character. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to unlock all skills in Openclaw. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.